So y'all know how we wanted smart fridges in the future, but yet Samsung seemed to be the only company that made a fridge that was somewhat smart. Well, now you can make one aftermarket wise. Just get yourself a brand new Google Pixel tablet and slap it up there. Voila, now you have a smart fridge. Yes, since the Pixel tablet has a magnetic dock in the back, obviously it can hang on to a fridge. I would not recommend leaving it on there though, because I guarantee you slam that door hard enough, this puppy's gonna fall off.